So this is the Fall Farm Road from Golden Grove over to Claremont. So if you don't go through the town of Claremont, you can come through the hills like this. And the road is a little mashed up for through, and we've had rain, and they haven't really been having a lot of rain, so the roads are eaten up, but it's beautiful. You can see the mist and the sound of the rain hitting the roof. This is where I spent my childhood. Like I was on these roads day after day. This is my home. This is the hills of St. Anne, where I think I'm the happiest.
I think I know.
I know. So we have poultry breeders. We just passed Jamaica poultry breeders, and this is their land that we're driving through right now. And they have some cows.